Hey everybody, today we're going to be checking out the cheapest quiet generator on Amazon. Now before we get started, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's go! Alright, so here we have it. It is the A-iPower 2000 watt inverter generator. And it has pretty good reviews on Amazon. It was $317 on sale, which I've been tracking it for a while, kind of comes and goes. I think the normal price is $387. But anyway, let's tear into this guy. Owner's manual. Ooh, it's kind of nice. Quick start guide. It's a pretty nice insert that they gave us. Special shaped funnel. Hopefully easier to fill. Couple tools, and it looks like the adapter. There it is. Okay. Alright, I'm going to need two hands to do this, so I'm going to put you down. Alright, here we are. So first impressions, this is significantly bigger than I thought it would be. But it's still pretty lightweight. The main reason that I bought this generator versus any other ones out there was because of this. It's nice to have dual use on those plugs there. Okay, so let's go over some specs on this. 79cc 4-stroke Yamaha clone engine, 2000 watt peak, 1600 watt constant, eco throttle switch, claimed 58 decibel idle, 20 and 30 amp outlets, multi-switch for turning the fuel and engine on and off, parallel capabilities, pure sine wave output, 47 pounds, fuel gauge, and an on-off tank vent. Alright, so first thing we're going to be going through is the quick start guide. So it wants us to add oil, add gas, and then it's okay to start. So I've got some 10W30, which it recommends right here. I'm going to pop this side cover off, fill it up with oil, and then we'll take it outside, put gas in it, and fire it up. So what I'm going to do now is just check and make sure that there's no oil in there, because I'm going to be putting in 0.4 quarts, and there is a little bit of oil in there. So I get this old bottle that I'm going to put the oil into. So now we're going to put our new oil in. Okay, so I put 0.4 quarts in, and now we're ready to cap it off, take it outside, put in gas, and fire it up. Okay, so I figured before I start it up, I should probably RTFM. Okay, so after reading this whole thing, I didn't find anything about a break-in procedure, so I'm going to use standard procedure on that, which is just heat cycle it a couple times. Also, this thing has a 2-year warranty. That's really exciting for a $317 generator. So anyway, let's go out there and start it up. Look at that! Okay, so overall, I think I'm pretty happy with this thing. I've been running it for, I don't know, probably about 2 hours now, switching between turtle and rabbit mode. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn this guy on and power this 1500 watt heater. So that'll give us a true test of starting amps and running amps, because 1500 watts is what this thing is rated at. So, let's go! So with the generator running, I had a 1500 watt heater plugged into it, and it worked flawlessly. I went through all the settings, low, medium, and high, and it was able to sustain the highest level indefinitely. Light didn't come on, it ran perfectly. So I'm really excited for this thing. I think it's going to fit our needs well. It's set up a little bit differently than some of the other cheap generators out there. In particular, this. This plug lets us plug it right into our boat. It'll plug into an RV, comes with an adapter, comes with a couple different tools. It is slightly bigger than I was hoping, but it is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Overall, for $317 for a 2000 watt generator, it's pretty darn good. I know most 2000 watt hardwire inverters are just within that ballpark. So to be able to generate 2000 watts of power is pretty dang good. So this model is actually available even with a Yamaha engine. It was a little bit more, I think it was closer to $450 or $500. And the Yamaha version is sold at Costco. After messing around with it for a bit, I realized I got one different than the listing. Instead of a 12 volt outlet, there was 2 USB ports. I would have preferred the 12 volt outlet as it's a little bit more universal. Also, I didn't get the parallel cables or the battery charging cables. There's also no breaker button on it. So the biggest thing, at 3 feet, the actual idle decibel level is 72 and full load is roughly 85. The idle is way off the 58 decibels claimed. But let's look at some of the good things about it. It's $350. It's literally the cheapest one you can get on Amazon. It powers everything I need to power. It's lightweight and portable. It's really fuel efficient. I get 5 to 7 hours off a tank of gas. And it has the 30 amp plug I was looking for. Overall, the pros outweigh the cons. I'd give it 4 stars. Alright, that wraps up this episode of Kevin's Garage. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe for more content. Till next time.